Delhi NCR chokes. Despite ban on crackers, worse than hazardous air in Delhi NCR. You breathe poison. We want the right to breathe. Air emergency.
Well, air pollution is currently back to haunt the national capital yet again near areas. Thick layer of smog blanketed several areas, several parts of Delhi. Air pollution in the national capital drastically deteriorated once again, with the air quality index at various locations touching, or rather breaching, the 400 mark until 10 a.m. today, including areas like Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Okhla, Srinivaspuri. In fact, the key reason for this massive drop in air quality levels, of course, firecrackers. People continue to light firecrackers across several regions in Delhi, completely disregarding the government's ban on fireworks. Neighbouring cities of Faridabad recorded AQI of 424, Ghaziabad of 442, Gurgaon 423, Noida recorded air quality index of 431. Not only Delhi NCR, but particulate matter 2.5 worsened in several other states as well. Cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Chennai, among others, recorded an uptick in pollution levels. Well, there was at a point in Delhi, the pollution was so thick that one could barely see vehicles right in front of them, and many of them complaining an itchy throat. It was quite a tragic situation considering we're still amid the pandemic. Let's cut across reactions coming.
बहुत ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन है और जिसकी वजह से हमें साइकिलिंग में भी थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ रही है और ये हम पोल्यूटेड एयर अपने अंदर ले रहे हैं, तो जो हमारे लिए हार्मफुल है। और इसका मेनली रीज़न ये जो हमने दिवाली सेलिब्रेट किया है और बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में क्रैकर्स जलाए हमने, और उसका अंजाम आज हमें भुगतना पड़ रहा है।
ये सब धुएं की वजह से है, सारा प्रदूषण है जो धुएं की वजह से है, पटाखों की वजह से है। ये दमसी जैसे लग रही है, जैसे दमसी घुट रही है, आंखों में वैसे आ रही है धुएं जैसी।
The AQI at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium today morning in Delhi was 999, which is extremely hazardous. And this is because there was a complete violation of the norms and rules laid down by the honorable courts and even by both the government, central and state, as people came out in huge numbers violating the cracker ban in Delhi and NCR. And now they can see the ill effects.
Well, we do know that Delhi's air quality index in some parts of the national capital even reached up to 900. One can only imagine the poor quality air, and we're still amid the pandemic, and that's what's worrisome. The AQI, which is anything between 101 to 200, means it's moderate. Of course, even before Diwali hit, Delhi's air quality index dropped to about 300, which was in the very poor category, and now it comes to the hazardous category. It's breached the 400 mark, which falls in the hazardous category. In fact, air quality index there, many other parts of Delhi recorded about 900. What does this mean in terms of the impact that it's really going to have on your health? Let's decode that for you. If air quality index is between 0 to 50, this falls under the good air quality. And of course, the air quality index between 51 to 100 then falls under satisfactory, and the impact on your health likely very minor. And then you have air quality index between 101 to 200, and that falls under moderate air quality category, and this would cause some breathing problems as well for people who have prolonged exposure. And if air quality drops to 201 to 300, this falls under the poor category. Prolonged exposure, of course, very harmful. If air quality drops from 300 to 400, this is very poor category, causing respiratory ailments. 400 to 500, severe effects on health. And that's what's worrisome today, that Delhi's air quality index has dropped to the hazardous levels. Milind joining us for more on that. Milind, very clearly the Kejriwal government had given a blanket ban, said no firecrackers allowed in the national capital, especially after we saw the second wave of the pandemic claiming lives. We're still amid the coronavirus pandemic. At a time like this, people with absolute disregard went right ahead, bursted crackers to such an extent that you have pollution levels dropping to hazardous.
Well, that's right, and that was the prediction that was made by SAFAR, the air quality monitoring system in the country for Delhi NCR. They said that even if 50% of the cracker emissions will be emitted on the night of Diwali, we will see a hazardous situation in the national capital. And I would ask my camera person Ashwini Helen to just pan and show you. We are standing at one of the hotspots of pollution, which is the ITO junction, combined with vehicular traffic as well as firecracker emissions. Today, all you can see is a thick layer of what we call is smog in the entire region. So it's not just happened in Delhi, but also in neighboring areas of the NCR like Noida, Ghaziabad, Faridabad. And these happen to be the hotspots where pollution concentration is the largest. Coming back to the point that emission targets also, despite a firecracker ban have not been followed, yes, stricter compliance of the firecracker ban was not done either in Delhi or in neighboring Noida areas, which has led to the hazardous levels of pollutions that we are looking at. But experts from the Environment Ministry as well as the Air Quality Monitoring Committee have said that we are still reaching the hazardous level right after Diwali. In the earlier years, comparatively, we would reach the hazardous level right after Dussehra. So they see this as a respite, but it cannot be foregone that we are at a hazardous level of pollution. We have to maintain a certain level of air quality which has been breached, and the days to come would be worse if the wind speeds and the calm weather conditions continue currently, because the meteorological department says that the wind speed is very low, the weather conditions are calm, which has led to concentration of the pollution levels in the national capital. And we are expecting some relief post 6th of November. That is what has been predicted, that perhaps after 6th of November, we will see the pollution levels once again going to poor and very poor category from the hazardous choking category that we are in right now, Nabila.
Right, Milind, do stay with us. This is, of course, a matter of great concern considering that we're still amid the coronavirus pandemic. Even though the numbers have dropped, it could trigger again. You have mutant variants lurking around, and that's what really scares us. Let's really now take you through how air quality levels have dropped across the country, not just in Delhi, across the country post Diwali. Air quality levels have been significantly hit. Let's take you through Delhi first. November 4th, we're looking at air quality index at 382. On the 5th of November, a day after Diwali, air quality drops to 451. And then you have Mumbai on 4th of November. Air quality stood at 164 on the index. And now you have on the 5th of November at 207. And then you have Lucknow on the other hand, where air quality index stands at 242. And then November 5th, a day later, drops to 267. Not very big margin there, but nonetheless, Kolkata, we see quite a significant margin. With 4th of November, the air quality index stood at 194, while November 5th, a day later, air quality index stands at 231. This despite, of course, Kolkata saying only green crackers allowed between a 2-hour window. We're still seeing a significant rise in pollution. Chennai, on the other hand, significant rise. Air quality index at 89 that it stood on the 4th of November. 5th of November, the air quality index rose to 157 to poor category. But nonetheless, Chennai is still doing far better in compared to several other states. Ghaziabad, on the 4th of November, we're looking at 419. That was already in the poor, very poor category, inching closer to the hazardous levels. Ghaziabad on the 5th of November shows 438, hazardous category of air quality. Gurgaon, similar levels. We're looking at November 4th, 395 where the air quality stood, and then on the 5th of November, a day later, we're looking at 473, hazardous category that the air quality levels have dropped to. All this until 11 a.m. today.